This is another progress update for SystemZero, my own custom OS. Now, today I want to demonstrate two features. The first one is the improvement to the bootloader that allows it to boot from any drive, not just IDE primary master. And the second one is the custom text editor that I wrote specifically for this OS. So this is VirtualBox, and currently we have the IDE set to primary device 0. So this is the OS image disk, has the OS installed on it. Let's start it up here and it will boot. And you can see loading kernel from drive 0 here. It's going to determine the size of the drive and it's done. So now it's system 0, so it's booted and it's IDE 0 here. And if we list drives, you can see that IDE 1, 2 and 3 are all absent. Now if we power this off and set this drive to say secondary 0, right? This is going to be IDE 2. We start this up and it's going to say loading kernel from drive 2. So it detects what drive the kernel is actually on. Now, so I'm just going to demonstrate the whole thing in VirtualBox, I guess. View full screen mode and scaled. Right, like this. So there it is. Now if we list, we can see that we have the edit command here, and have the license file, so let's just edit that. Oh yeah, and by the way, there was a bug in the last video that I noticed with the view command, which was a dirty memory bug, i.e. oh yeah, I have the page up and page down keys as well now since I'm on my desktop, so I can actually show you how it scrolls. So it scrolls like this. There was a dirty memory bug with the view command that didn't allow that when I view the short file, it would have just random computer gibberish on the screen. And now that is fixed. So actually let's touch a file here. Let's do test.txt. For some reason it takes a long time on VirtualBox. I guess it just has a worse A.pio driver or handler inside of it. So test.txt, edit that. You can see it's an empty file. And we have a cursor down here and up here. So this is the actual cursor for the text editor. And we can type in here and it will actually register our input. And we can even press enter and up arrow. So let's do something here. Let's do, say, operating systems, and let's do like Windows, Mac, Linux, or GNU/Linux, SystemZero. Alright. So we have edited this file. You can see it works like the standard hex editor. We have the cursor movement with arrows. We can move it up and down, left and right. Enter works like you would expect it to work. And so yeah, just literally standard hex editor, text editor. So now Control S will actually save the file, so it will say saving changes down at the bottom left, and yeah, there it is, it's done. Control R resets the cursor position to the top left, and we can actually scroll through the file as well, which with the page up and page down keys. So if we have a large file, like say, oh yeah, and this works by the way, so we can view test.txt now, and it actually saved to the file, and you can see dirty memory is no more. No more computer gibberish down here, just a clean output from the actual file. And drives, you can see IDE2 exists, everything else is absent. If we edit license, we can say put in I edited this in. And yeah, pretty much every key on the keyboard works, so like even the special characters and all that, they all work, so it's all set up for making an actual interpreter for a shell language or programming language in the future. So save these changes, and yeah, it should be done soon. Yeah, there it is. And if we view license, the changes are there, as you can see. Now, is there anything else to show? Well, no, that's about it. So yeah, that is the text editor that I wrote, and improvements to the bootloader, which I didn't show in the last video. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this demonstration, and I will see you in the next one.